We're going to continue working on our project today, and you're going to learn some cool stuff today, so stick around. Here's my self-adhesive webbing tape. It's not really that sticky, but once you cut it, lots of times it has a tendency to fold back there nice and tight, and it's hard to find that. So when you get done with this, just fold this over a couple times. So next time you're ready to use it, you can flip that up like that, cut that off, and away you go. I had a couple bulges here from before, and I cut those out of there. Man, I can't find the edge. Sometimes when this folds back, it's hard to find it. Here it is. And again, I could put just quickset over that, but this mark went all the way through. There's a strip of sheetrock, a patch of sheetrock. The sheetrock goes up to there, and then there's a seam right there. Okay, so that's why I've got to put the tape, because I don't want that seam to show or to get a hairline crack later on down the road. Okay, there's another piece right there. And usually you can put just one piece of webbing tape over that. I happen to put two there because I got the first piece a little low. Okay. Pops was asking me a good question here. You see these other lines? Here's a line. Remember the wallpaper, here's another piece. Wallpaper was double cut. When you're installing wallpaper, lots of times professional wallpapers double cut their vertical lines to get a perfectly straight edge and all that. But that cut the sheetrock face paper. So I cut that back, and because that right here is only surface on the sheetrock, I've opted just to put quickset over that. All I have to do is put quickset, then my patch is only going to be right there, and I don't have to put a piece of tape and then put two coats over that and make the patch this wide and all that. Because I don't really need to do that, because this is not a sheetrock seam that goes all the way through. If it was, obviously I'd have to put the tape. Okay, so those lines, see here's another line up above the door. I'm going to just put quickset over those. Now this was at the transition when they tied in the new bay window to the existing wall. They kind of got it bulged there, and there's a joint right there, and I put a little bit of caulking in there from the other day, let it dry. Now you don't have to do that, but because this was the exterior wall, I ended up deciding to do that. I had enough time for that and all that. And this tape was loose right there. That's because some moisture came into the wall somehow from outside, loosened up that whole piece of tape. So I've got to, I don't want to just put quickset there, do I? I want to get the webbing tape up there, and I want to cover that entire seam. That is a seam that goes all the way through. Whenever you see that, you want to put your webbing tape over it. Okay. Yeah. This is just a high spot. There was some paper tape there. I'm going to have to float over that, and I did kind of pull some of the tape off, so that's fine. I'll just put this over that. No biggie. Nice and clean without having to put mud up there and then put paper tape over that and all that. Okay? Simple, Simon. I'm getting ready to mix up my quickset. I'm not going to show you exactly how to mix this up on this particular video. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.